In this video I will explain you how to write a Java program. In this lesson we will break down the structure of Java programs and understand how they work. The whole code to create a valid Java program that outputs a simple text is the following. Class name is demo, opening bracket, public static void main string of arguments, and again opening bracket, this is the class we are creating. Write the system out.println and the message. For example, here hi there, the output closing brace for both the class as well as the main. Output is hi there. The first line of the code defines a class called demo. In Java, every line of code that can actually run needs to be inside a class. You can call the class any time you want. We will learn more about classes in more advanced modules. For now, just remember that any Java program needs to be inside a class. The class opens and closes using the curly brackets like this: class demo, opening bracket and closing bracket. Any code that we want to include in the class needs to go inside the brackets. The opening bracket can also be written below the class demo here, but it is generally common to write it on the same line to save space. Our program includes one more thing that we need to cover. As you can see, the demo class includes the following line: public static void main string of arguments, opening bracket. In Java, each application has an entry point or a starting point, which is a method called main. We will cover public, static and void, this one, keywords definition in later lesson when learning about methods. For now, remember that the main method needs to be declared identically to the code above. Notice that the main method, similar to the class, opens and closes the curly brackets. For example, here public static void main string of arguments, opening bracket, you are writing one message here, closing bracket. The main method contains the code that executes when we run our program. In this case, the println method will be executed when we run our program. Java program. Here, for example, class name is demo, opening bracket. In this class, you are writing one main method which is compulsory in Java program: public static void main string of arguments, opening bracket, and here you are writing the println statement to print the message. This is now a fully functioning Java program. Lesson learned is, you know now how to create a valid Java program structure. Remember the following important points. You need to start your program by creating a class. Here like this, there is a class. The class needs to include a main method. Under class, you are writing the main method, which is the starting point of the program. The main method includes the statement that needs to be executed when the program runs, the println statement you are writing. The class as well as the main method opens and closes using the opening and closing brackets. Here see, there are two opening brackets and two closing brackets. So I hope this lesson is helpful for you. So I will explain you the remaining things in the next video. Thanks for watching.